Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Code. Today we're breaking down our crypto portfolio strategy for huge gains in the 2025 bull market. This is exactly how we're positioning ourselves right now, based on key trends, market signals, and the narratives we believe are going to explode next. And look, we get it. There's a lot of fear in the markets right now. From global tariffs to stock market drops, it's easy to feel uncertain, but here's what we're seeing. Bitcoin is holding strong, and historically that kind of resilience is a sign the bottom could already be in, and the real move is right around the corner. We'll look into how we've structured our portfolio heading into what could be the most explosive crypto cycle yet. Let's talk about it. Before we jump into today's topic, we want to remind you that here at the Crypto Code, our goal is to provide you with the top news, research, and tips when it comes to finding projects with huge profit potential. Stay to the end of this video and learn how you can earn $10 in Bitcoin and a free weekly trade alert just for attending one of our free workshops to learn more about who we are and what we do. No purchase needed. Our trade alerts have a 90% win rate, so make sure you take advantage of this free alert. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So do your own research before you make any crypto trades. Okay, so let's start with our foundation, Bitcoin. We're holding 20% of our portfolio in BTC. It's the most reliable asset in the entire crypto space, and we believe it'll easily break past $100,000 in this cycle. Holding Bitcoin gives us stability during the ups and downs, and it's the base around which we're building the rest of our portfolio. Now let's talk Layer 1 blockchains, the backbone of the entire crypto ecosystem. These are the networks everything is built on. DeFi, NFTs, gaming, you name it. So it only makes sense that we've dedicated 40% of our portfolio to 3 high-conviction Layer 1 projects that we believe could absolutely explode in the next bull run. Starting with Sui. Sui's momentum is undeniable. We're seeing a surge in on-chain activity, record-breaking stablecoin volume, and non-stop developer growth. In our eyes, Sui is still early, and the upside here is massive if it keeps scaling like this. Next, Aptos. Aptos has some of the most advanced tech under the hood, and its total value locked is steadily rising. It's still flying under the radar, but that's exactly why we're positioned now. We see serious long-term potential here. And then we have Sonic. This is the rebrand of Phantom, and it's already crossed $1 billion in TVL during a bearish market, no less. That kind of growth in these conditions, it tells us adoption is real, and it's only just getting started. Now let's get into the 4 major narratives we're betting on, and we've given each of them 10% of our total portfolio. These are the sectors we believe are going to absolutely take off in the next altcoin season, and we want to be positioned before they run. First up, artificial intelligence. We've got 10% of our portfolio allocated here. AI and crypto is just getting started, and when this narrative heats back up, it's going to move fast. We're holding 2 projects in this space. The first is Tars AI. It's built on Solana and already has partnerships with giants like Google and NVIDIA. Then there's Humans.ai. This one's building high-level AI agents for both Web 2 and Web 3 applications. With the momentum AI is gaining globally, we think these kinds of projects will be right in the spotlight. Next, real-world assets, or RWAs. Another 10% of our portfolio is sitting here. This is all about bringing traditional finance and physical assets onto the blockchain. We're holding Ondo Finance, which is already one of the biggest names in the space, with serious backing and institutional integration. And we've also got DPIN, a smaller cap project that's already working with governments and tokenizing real assets with actual use cases. We think this is one of the most important long-term trends in crypto, and we want exposure now before mainstream adoption hits. Third, we've got DPIN. That's short for decentralized physical infrastructure, and again, we've put 10% of our portfolio here. This sector is all about real-world solutions using blockchain, and 2 projects we're backing are Aether and World Mobile Token. Aether gives developers access to high-powered NVIDIA GPUs, which are essential for building next-gen AI systems. And World Mobile Token is doing something even crazier, building a decentralized telecom network that's already rolling out in over 60 countries. These are real-world problems being solved with crypto. That's the kind of innovation we want to be part of. And finally, our 4th big narrative, gaming. Once again, we've allocated 10% here. Gaming is the biggest entertainment industry in the world, and it hasn't even had its breakout moment in Web 3 yet. We're holding Beam, a gaming-first blockchain that's already supporting tons of projects. And also, My Lovely Planet, a mobile game created by the team behind Candy Crush. They've added a Web 3 twist and even an environmental impact element, where planting a tree in the game means a real tree gets planted in the real world. We think gaming is going to onboard millions of new users, and when it does, these early projects will be leading the charge. In a nutshell, here's the breakdown of our portfolio. Nice and simple. We've got Bitcoin, the foundation, the safest play, and the one we trust to lead the next bull run. Then we've got top layer 1 blockchains like Sui, Aptos, and Sonic because we believe strong infrastructure will always win long term. The rest of our portfolio is spread across 4 powerful narratives: artificial intelligence, real-world assets, DPIN, and gaming. The sectors we think are going to explode as crypto adoption grows. We're focused on real-world use cases, solid fundamentals, and projects that are actually building, not just hyped. And most importantly, we're positioning now while the market's still filled with fear, not later when everyone's chasing green candles. Thanks for watching the Crypto Code. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto insights. Let me know your thoughts on today's video in the comments below. You can also check out what we do here at the Crypto Code by registering for one of our free workshops where we show you how we and our students profit in crypto no matter if the markets are up or down. If you register for the workshop, you also get access to a free weekly trade alert. Attend our free workshop, take a short quiz at the end, and we will send you $10 in Bitcoin. No purchase needed. We have already given away hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin just this year alone. Just look for the link in the description of this video to register for the workshop. It will be worth your time. Our public trade record currently has a 90% win rate, and you can view it here. Best of luck with your investments, and remember to stay informed and stay safe in the crypto world. See you next time.